In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods on how you can make money just clicking around on Google. This is something you're probably already doing already, and I'm going to show you how with just a simple searches, a few messages, you can make $7,500 per month. This is really simple to do. There's a lot of different methods I'm going to show you in this video. You can just choose the one that you like the best, or you can do all of them and make a lot of money. Whatever you decide to do is up to you. I'm just going to show you some options. I'm going to show you everything right now.
Is everyone ready?
Okay guys, go over to the first website. This is called SERPclicks.com. You may have heard of this already, but if you haven't, SERPclicks is basically a website where people will go here to purchase people to come visit their website and click on it because this looks better to Google. Google will rank a website higher if a lot of people are going there and clicking around on the website because it seems better, it seems more engaging, and Google's more likely to put them higher in the search. So people come here and they make purchases. Now you can come to this website, hit product here, and then hit become a clicker. This is going to take you to this website here. You can see they earn 5 cents to 10 cents per click. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but you can add these up pretty quickly and make a decent amount. The good thing about them is they have a payout of only $5. So as soon as you hit $5, you can cash out. So that's not a lot of money to hit, and then as soon as you hit it, you can get your money, but you can get a lot higher than that, guys. And another good thing about them is they pay out via PayPal. So you can just get cash for what you do. You don't have to get a gift card or something that you don't really want. Okay, Firefox extension, you just add this, and then basically it shows you go into that, and that tracks kind of what you click and how long you stay on the website so that you can get paid. Pretty simple, guys. Go to SERPclicks.com, check it out. You can make some money here and just, basically just click around on the internet, search, do things you're doing already, but get paid for it.
Let's go!
The next step is go to Google, and a lot of people will search a location, something they're trying to do, like barbershop in their city, okay? By the way, guys, I make videos on how to make money every single week. I try to do at least 3 a week. If you like videos like this, subscribe to the channel. You can be the first to try these methods, and you'll have an advantage over everybody else. Hit the notification bell if you really want to be first, but subscribe to the channel so you can learn these things and get started making money online, okay? So people go here and they search barbershop, Dallas, Texas, for example. Now, you can see the people that are at the top, they have the most reviews. Okay, so they'll have 300 reviews, 100 reviews, 200 reviews. If you go down to the bottom and you really got deep into some of these results, you see like 82 reviews. Okay, and if you went in these pages, you would see some barbershops with like 10 reviews, 12 reviews, right? So these people would love to be ranking up here because let's be honest, when anybody looks up anything, who scrolls down to the bottom? Nobody. So what we're going to do is we're going to find this tool here. Go to Google and search Mangools. Then this is a SEO tool that helps business owners rank higher. The great thing about this, well, there's a few great things. One, they have a free trial, which is going to be very easy to get business owners to do that. They have a lot of tools that help business owners, and the pricing is very cheap, $29 a month, $44 a month. Okay, so we're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to hit this affiliate program, and we can get a link that we can share with business owners, and when anybody signs up, we'll get paid. We don't have to do anything, guys. I mean, there's no management, no work to be done. We literally just share this tool with them. They use it. We get paid every single month forever. So lifetime payouts, 30% lifetime commission. Average monthly payout, $487. And like I said, 30% lifetime commissions. That is great. So all we can do is go on these business owners' websites, and when we see their contact information, we can say, hey, I saw you were ranking kind of low in Google. Just wanted to share this tool with you as a free trial. Check it out. And then also, you can see that the different commissions for the different plans. $49 a month will make $14. If they get the $538 a year, we'll make $443. And you can see these really add up. With just a few businesses, you can make a decent amount per month. So you wouldn't have to get that many to honestly replace your job. And you can do this by, like I said, just clicking around Google, messaging a few business owners a day, and it really start to add up, and just recommending them a tool. And once they sign up, our work is done. We don't have to do anything to manage that client. We don't do anything. They use the tool themselves. Okay, so this is not like running an agency.
That is a fantastic idea.
The third thing I want to show you is a tool called AdCreative.ai. Everyone's talking about AI tools. This one's really cool. I like this because it shows, it basically makes ads for them. So you see these really great ads. These are really beautiful designs. They're very clickable. Basically, you put in your information about your brand and kind of, what you're about, and then they make the ads for you. Now we can go down to the bottom here and we can click on affiliate, and we can get a link as well. So you see there is a affiliate button right there. So we click on the affiliate website. start earning, and this is going to show you the potential of what you can really make. 30%, okay? If we get 100 paid signups, $7,475 per month. That is serious bank, guys. And if we get 1,000 people, I mean $74,000 a month. You can see how these can really add up is what I'm saying. So basically, guys, we're just going to go, and anytime we see an ad anywhere, if people are running ads, we know they're spending money on ads, they're going to want to improve that. So we can recommend our link to them. And the great thing about this tool is they get a $500 free ad credit, which is going to help us sell it, and have a free trial and everything. So we can just message business owners and say, hey, if you want to check out this AI tool to improve your ad designs, they have a $500 free Google ad credit, free trial, just check it out. There's nothing to lose on their end. They can just try it, and once they see these beautiful designs, and then they're going to run those ads and get more clicks, and they're going to make more money. They're going to stay using this forever, which is why it won't be that hard for us to get 100 people and we can make some serious money. So that's a great tool we can really recommend pretty easily, and there's endless people that we can find running ads, and we can just share that with them. Another tool is called Micro Workers. Pretty simple site, guys. I mean, there's a lot of tasks on here. They don't pay a lot, but they can add up really quickly, which is the cool thing. So you can register for a free account, and you can see all of the tasks that they have here that you can do. I mean, there's literally endless stuff that you can do, as simple as adding on a free browser extension, and you can get paid for that. And most of these things you can just do over and over and over. Like I said, it's not going to be a lot. Maybe some things pay 20 cents or whatever, but they add up, and you can make some money. If you have some downtime and you're just clicking around online anyways, you might as well get paid for it, right? And as one more bonus, I just wanted to share with you this website. It's called instagc.com. So it's basically, you can go on here and like watch videos, you know, search the web, things like that. Like I said, things you're already doing, and you can get paid. Digital gift cards received instantly. So another option, you can cash it out as like for a gift card of something that you already shop for anyways. So that's that, guys. Like I said, if you like videos like this, I make videos on how to get started making money online, because it's important that you start your journey, and I just want to share some methods with you and teach you how to do that. So subscribe to the channel. I'm making new videos all the time, so you can find something that works for you. Drop a comment below, like this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to see next time. Let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate you guys as always. Thank you for watching the channel. I will see you on the next one. Peace.